Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys.
It's been a really messed up week. Some days torture, some days better. La la la, la la la.
It's your favorite teacher, Ms.Zhanee. I'm so happy to be here with you guys today. And guess what? Today is Christmas Eve. Santa Claus is coming to town. He is on his sleigh while his reindeers is bringing him your way. Guess what, guys? Brewer does not know this, but we're surprising her with a Christmas gift. Yes, and guess what? I bought it for her from us. And she's going to be so excited. So I need you guys to help me count to see how many items can fit in her surprise stitch bin. Oh my God, I'm excited. Brewer loves Stitch. So guess what I did? I went to Target and I went to Walmart and I bought everything Stitch. So I need you guys to not only help me fill this basket up with surprise gifts, but I also need you guys to help me count each and every item. Can you help me? I can't hear you. Can you help me?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
That's what I wanted to hear. You said yes. I heard you. Now, let's start filling up her surprise bin with everything Stitch. But before we do that, do you like Stitch from Lilo and Stitch? I love Stitch. Let's begin. Look how big this bin is. Let's compare 3 different bins to see which one is small, medium, and large. I'm trying to hold all of them on my own. It looks like I need some help. I wish Brewer was here to help me. I only have 2 hands. Okay, so let's take a look, guys. Wait. And no, it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. So let's take a look at the sizes. What do you notice? Which bin is the smallest? Take a look. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Say it out loud. I can't hear you. Which bin is the smallest? If you pick this bin, you're correct. And let's see. I'm going to put the smallest bin inside of the medium bin. Let's see if it fits. You was correct. If this bin is the smallest bin, if this bin is the medium bin, that makes Brewer's bin the largest. Let's count the bins together. 1, 2, 3. You're correct. This bin is the smallest. This bin is medium. And Brewer's bin is large. You're correct. Good job. Now let's fill this bin up with some Christmas gifts.
Let's count the items together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
So the first thing we got her is a Stitch blanket. What do you think? Do you think she's going to like it? Let's put the Stitch blanket inside of the bin. All right. Oh.
Oh,
Do you guys think Brewer is going to like this? A sleep mask and a Stitch.
make sure you're paying attention to how many items are in the bin.
Does this look good? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs up. I agree. What else do we have in here that's thick? Oh wow, this is
Zhanee!
so awesome. Maybe we can put it here.
Car!
It's a Stitch bundle set. Inside, there's a journal, a pair of Stitch socks, and there's some cool Stitch earmuffs. Brewer is going to love this.
I wonder what's inside the bag.
Wow! A Stitch plushie! Brewer is going to love this. She loves plushies. Wait, but before we continue, how many items does she have in her bin? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this Stitch plushie makes 5. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Stitch scrunchies. So she'll be able to put her hair in a ponytail. This is her 6th item. You think she's going to like it? I hope she does.
7!
Oh my goodness. Take a look. What do you think? Are these cute or what? They're nice and cozy.
8!
Look what we got her. Kinetic sand. I couldn't find any Stitch kinetic sand, but her favorite color is pink and blue. So I had to buy her some from Walmart. Wow! These are awesome! These are more than awesome. Take a look at these.
9!
Brewer is going to be so happy when she sees these. Oh my gosh. I think that's it. Look, guys.
This is the 10th item!
She has more kinetic sand. I'll put that right there. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.